Apples have been a symbol of health for thousands of years, coming in over 7,000 varieties and each packed with superior nutrition and health benefits. Studies have shown that apples can lower cholesterol, improve digestion, strengthen the heart, stimulate weight loss and prevent illnesses and disease. Here are 11 reasons to pack an apple in your bag wherever you go. 1. They stimulate weight loss. Apples are high in dietary fiber, meeting up to 20% of your daily requirement per piece, which is proven to encourage regular bowel movements, eliminate excess fluid and waste and shift the scale in the right direction. They also boost metabolism, which supports faster fat burn. 2. They balance blood sugar levels. The high fiber content in apples balances out their sweetness, which helps to keep blood sugar levels stable and prevents diabetes. 3. They strengthen immunity. One apple offers 17% of the daily requirement of vitamin C, which helps to strengthen immunity. A strong immune system is rich in white blood cells and helps to prevent colds, flu, and bacteria from thriving. 4. They improve your eyesight. Highly soluble vitamin A streams out of each juicy bite of the apple, which has been proven to improve night blindness, prevent cataracts and prevent macular degeneration. 5. They are great for your teeth and gums. Apples in a line. Apples offer a rich source of antibacterial compounds and roughage, which helps to eliminate plaque buildup and harmful bacteria in your mouth. The apple juices also stimulate the secretion of saliva, which helps to alkalize your entire mouth and prevents germs from thriving. 6. They build stronger bones. Calcium intake requires a steady stream of magnesium intake to be absorbed properly, and apples contain both minerals. This improves the density of teeth and bones and helps to keep joints free from inflammation and calcification. 7. They give you energy. Each apple contains natural fruit sugars, which gives you energy but keeps your calorie intake low. They also contain iron, which stimulates an increase in the transportation of oxygen throughout your body, giving you a boost in vitality. 8. They relieve muscle tension. Stress and exercise can lead to muscle tension, and apples are the perfect treat to soothe it. They contain magnesium, which helps to improve blood flow to recovering muscles, as well as having a calming effect on nerves. By eating more apples, you help to reduce cramps, spasms, and painful tension. 9. They improve fertility in women. Studies have shown that complex B vitamins such as vitamin B6 helps to boost fertility in women, and apples are a rich source of it. It also helps to reduce the symptoms of PMS, premenstrual syndrome, as well as improving blood circulation throughout your body. 10. They improve cardiovascular health. Apples are an incredible source of antioxidants, flavonoids, vitamins, and minerals, which offers your cardiovascular system all the support that it needs to stay strong and healthy. They also contain pectin, which is a soluble dietary fiber that helps to eliminate excess cholesterol, preventing strokes, heart disease, and heart attacks. 11. They improve brain function. While challenging to accept, studies have proven that apples can wake you up much more effectively than a cup of a coffee can. And it's due to your brain's response to it. They stimulate acetylcholine, which is a chemical known to boost cognitive function, memory retention, and mental vitality. Apples are also full of vitamins and minerals that trigger your body to wake up, fresh, juicy and delicious. Apples are the new coffee. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up. Share this with your friends and don't forget to subscribe.